XRP, urgent XRP news. Attorney Hogan revealed the SEC lawsuit end date. Ripple XRP SEC lawsuit over. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will discuss what Attorney Hogan revealed over the Ripple XRP and SEC lawsuit. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
2021 was an eventful year for the crypto community, especially for XRP holders, given the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit took several bittersweet turns during these past 12 months. While on the one hand, the XRP community was aggravated by the SEC white lies and prejudice, on the other hand, the community saw global support, eventually making the XRP lawsuit one of the most historical cases in the decentralized industry. The next update in the XRP lawsuit will come at the latest by January 19th of 2022, as that is the extended deadline for expert discovery in the case. The changed scope of DPP gravitates the lawsuit in SEC's favor. While the entire crypto community is awaiting the upcoming hearings, the case has rooted out with the inclusion of more related cases. For instance, the scope of deliberative process privilege (DPP) changed for the XRP lawsuit upon the Second Circuit's verdict in the case of Natural Resources Defense Council versus EPA (NRDC). The NRDC case's verdict restructured the scope of DPP, further gravitating the XRP lawsuit in favor of the SEC, particularly over the documents submitted for camera review. After the NRDC decision, SEC argued that it is not mandated to connect its records to a single discrete decision to seek protection under DPP, explicitly referring to the 3 in-camera review documents. Instead, the SEC had the right to identify a broader decision-making process to which the records relate instead of limiting it to a determined decision. While this left the XRP community with lost hope, another lawsuit against the SEC reverted XRP's upper hand in the case. Freedom of Information Act complaint could unveil SEC's allegedly illegal market manipulation. Earlier this month, the non-profit organization Empower Oversight filed a Freedom of Information Act (FOIA) complaint against the SEC regarding its potentially illegal market manipulation to hike Ether and Bitcoin while slashing the price of XRP with a lawsuit. SEC's bias and allegedly illicit role in Ether's exponential price hike is daily news to the crypto community. However, the latest FOIA complaint against the SEC presented the court with substantial proof to begin an active investigation into the commission's long-standing market manipulations. It revealed the chronological trail of SEC and its officials' reportedly unlawful actions, including eminent names like the former SEC chairman Jay Clayton, the ex-leader of the SEC Enforcement Division, Mark Berger, and the controversial William Hinman. The further unfolding of this FOIA case could lead Ripple towards a win and finally free XRP. XRP could see a substantial hike in 2022. XRP may have faced an unfair regulatory crackdown, however, the token continued to grow throughout 2021, which is precisely the trend XRP aims to follow in 2022. Most tokens suffered a short bear during the last month of 2021, including XRP. However, XRP's chart displayed a cup and handle pattern, which could initiate a bullish reversal for the Ripple coin entering the new year. Furthermore, if Ripple wins the XRP lawsuit, then the coin's price may even touch double digits. So, the community is entering 2022 with sheer hope and confidence in Ripple and XRP. A brief history on Ripple. Ripple, the company behind XRP, provides a payment protocol that can be compared to a payment system, money transfer network, and currency exchange. Ripple features its own cryptocurrency called XRP that RippleNet powers. Financial institutions use it to promote faster transactions at lower fees. The address holding 1 million to 10 million XRP witnessed a growth of nearly 18%, registering 3.32 billion tokens had. This may indicate a positive trend to accumulate XRP, expecting phenomenal growth in 2022. XRP price analysis. At the time of this video, Ripple's price was at 0.9234 USD. If we go through the price chart, we will know how the digital token has become a top cryptocurrency since its inception. Launched in 2013, XRP maintained a straight line until 2017 before hitting new records. Yes, when the sideways movement ended in 2017, Ripple's price skyrocketed by 35,000%. This happened in the backdrop of Ripple signing deals with over 100 banks to use its RippleNet platform. Ripple's price hit an all-time high in 2018 before subsequently encountering challenges. After hitting a record high, the digital token dropped over the fear of new regulations on the Asian market. Eventually, Ripple faced more hits from Facebook's crypto ad ban and Indian regulations on digital tokens. Fortunately, XRP had a brief good time in September when it gained 140% in value. 2019 was a stable year for the digital token, however, things went downhill when the SEC sued Ripple in 2020, which strengthened the downward trend up in the coming years. According to attorney Jeremy Hogan, the breathtaking case between the United States Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) and payments firm Ripple over the XRP cryptocurrency is finally nearing its end. SEC suit could end in April of 2022. Jeremy Hogan, a renowned lawyer within the XRP community, has estimated when the long-standing SEC versus Ripple legal battle is likely to end. When asked for his honest opinion regarding when the case could be over, Hogan indicated that the probability of it being prolonged past summer is relatively low, even in the worst-case scenario. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse previously predicted that the feud with the SEC could be over in 2022. Speaking to CNBC in November, Garlinghouse pointed out the impressive progress made so far. Despite a slow-moving judicial process, for him, April is the best estimate for the lawsuit's conclusion. The SEC initiated the case back in December of 2020, arguing that XRP, Ripple's native currency utilized by the firm and other payment companies on an open-source decentralized ledger, has been an unregistered security in violation of U.S. investment law ever since its launch in 2013. Ripple execs as well as investors should have been aware of it. The action sent XRP plummeting and torpedoed Ripple's high-profile partnerships. Case in point, the blockbuster partnership with money transfer services company MoneyGram ended in early March. How is this courtroom drama going to play out for Ripple and the SEC? With legal expert Hogan estimating April 2022 to resolve the lawsuit, the question we'll be asking between now and April is how will all of this play out for the two parties involved? So far, Ripple has scored several key victories in court. In July, Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn ruled that Ripple can depose the former director of the SEC's Division of Corporate Finance, William H. Hinman. Moreover, Ripple chief Brad Garlinghouse recently noted during the first anniversary of the lawsuit that the company has managed to post its strongest year yet despite the legal drama. Expert discovery is scheduled to close by January 14th. Still, the legal team for the SEC and Ripple jointly filed a motion on December 10th, requesting the court to allow the final expert deposition on January 19th of 2022. A win for Ripple will undoubtedly deal a blow to the SEC's frustrating charade that the agency has termed regulatory clarity. After that, the U.S. regulator will be forced to provide clear, unambiguous guidance to companies in the blockchain industry other than just bringing forward lawsuits. The lawsuit allegations are disturbing. The press release made the following claim about the conflict of interest bordering on corruption. Former senior SEC official William Hinman received millions of dollars in compensation from his former employer Simpson Thacher while helping guide the SEC's regulation of cryptocurrencies. The press release went on to say that other officials at the agency also had severe conflicts of interest. Additionally, it claims Mark Berger, the SEC Enforcement Division leader who sued Ripple Labs, also left the SEC for the same law firm. The SEC sued Ripple Labs in December of 2020 for allegedly issuing XRP as an unregistered security. The company has since claimed that the SEC does not have clear rules about which cryptos constitute securities and which don't. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum have been designated as not being securities. For example, the suit says former SEC Chair Jay Clayton may have conflicts of interest. He declared Bitcoin was not a security, then joined cryptocurrency hedge fund One River Asset Management, which only worked on Bitcoin and Ether. Several other officials mentioned in the press release also worked for companies they were formally regulating. What could this mean for XRP? So far, the lawsuit does not state which rules the regulators may have broken if the allegations are true. Moreover, if true, the SEC could be forced by a judge or public opinion to close the lawsuit against Ripple Labs. But one thing is for sure, it does not look suitable for the agency. One reason is that certain banks might be more inclined to use crypto if it's less controversial. Ripple Labs wants them to use XRP and other products for money transfers. If that happened, XRP could move substantially higher. This has been one of the main criticisms of XRP so far, at least in the US. However, Ripple Labs points out that its on-demand liquidity products payment system has been used extensively overseas. Its website says that hundreds of financial institutions use its RippleNet product to provide a better payment system. RippleNet connects users to these institutions worldwide, aiming to make money transfers more efficient. Ripple Labs now says that ODL customers today can now access over 20 countries around the world for their payment needs. It claims its international transactions in ODL have grown more than 25 times over the past year. This new lawsuit will put more pressure on the SEC and perhaps even Congress concerning the regulation of cryptos. It may lead to a resolution of the existing case over whether XRP is a security or not. If this occurs, the crypto can seriously benefit as its controversy ends. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.